Have you ever worked so hard on something, trying to get every tiny detail just right, only to feel stuck? Or worse, you finish it, but instead of feeling proud, you feel empty. Well, that is the curse of perfection. Perfectionism disguises itself as ambition, as dedication, but in truth, it chains you, kills creativity, and steals the joy of learning and growing. Let's talk about why chasing perfection isn't just unhelpful but also harmful, and how accepting imperfection can set you free, create, grow, and to live fully. Perfectionism feels like a noble pursuit, doesn't it? You want to create something amazing, something which is flawless. But here is the irony. It is this very obsession with perfection that stops you from achieving it. Think about it. How many times you have delayed starting something because you didn't feel ready, or abandoned a project halfway through because it didn't feel perfect. Perfectionism is a trap, never ending loop where nothing is ever good enough. Here is why it's a problem. First, it keeps you from growing. Perfectionism makes you fear mistakes, but mistakes are how we learn. If you are too afraid to fail, you will never take the risk needed to improve. Second, it stifles creativity. When you are obsessed with every tiny detail, you lose the sight of the bigger picture, the joy of creating something that is uniquely yours. And third, it destroys the joy. Instead of celebrating what you have made, you focus on what's wrong with it. But what if the very thing we are running from, the flaws, are actually the most important part of the process? Let's talk about flaws. Why do they disturb us so much? Why do we see them as something to be erased rather than something to be embraced? Flaws aren't failures, they are reminders. They are marker of growth. They show us where we started and how far we have come. Think about it. The first time you tried to draw, or write, or play an instrument, it wasn't perfect, was it? But that is what made it special. Every imperfection tells a story. This is where I began. This is how I grew. Flaws don't ruin your work, they make it human. And isn't that the point? To create something that is alive, not robotic. But here's the thing. It is not just flaws we are afraid of. Well, deep down, we are afraid of what others might think of them. We obsess over perfection because we are scared. Scared that the thing we love, the thing we have poured our heart into, won't be loved by others. But let me tell you something. Fear is normal. It is human. It doesn't mean you are doing something wrong. It means you care. The key is not to run from the fear, but to accept it, to create something despite it. Think of fear as a shadow. It is always there, but it doesn't have to stop you from walking in the sun. And now, let's talk about something even scarier than flaws: failure. Here is a question for you. If failure is inevitable, why are we so afraid of it? Failure isn't the enemy. In fact, it is the fastest way to succeed. And here is why. When you fail, you learn. You learn what doesn't work, what needs improvement, and most importantly, how to get better. And the sooner you fail, the better. Because early failures are affordable. They teach you lessons when the stakes are low, but the longer you wait, the more costly failure becomes. So do not wait for perfection. Do not be afraid to try something new, to make mistakes, to put your work out there before it is perfect. Because perfection doesn't exist, but progress, it does. The world doesn't need another flawless masterpiece, it needs you, your unique perspective, your voice, and your story. So here is the truth: perfection is a myth. It is not something you can achieve, it is something that holds you back. Flaws, they are the proof of your growth. Fear, it is a sign that you care. And failure, it is your greatest teacher. The goal isn't to create something perfect, it is to create something which is meaningful. To share your art, your work, your ideas with the world, even if they are not flawless. Because in the end, it is not about being perfect, it is about being alive. So stop waiting, start creating, and always remember the world doesn't need perfect, it needs you. And if this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What is something you have been holding back just because it wasn't perfect? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating.